Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expresses pain and anger over incident of violence against women in Manipur. Monsoon session of Parliament begins. Jaintia people request for railway connectivity in Jaintia Hills, says Deputy Chief Minister Meghalaya. And Dr. D.D. Lapang Block inaugurated in USTM. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asserted that the law will take its course with all its might and no guilty will be spared in the Manipur women brutality incident. He said his heart is filled with pain and anger, adding that the incident is shameful for any civilized society. Modi was addressing the media at Parliament House complex ahead of the monsoon session of Parliament today. The Prime Minister said the incident of Manipur has put 140 crore Indians to shame and assured that the accused will not be spared. He urged all the chief ministers to strengthen law and order in their states to check the violence against the women.
मणिपुर की जो घटना सामने आई है, किसी भी सभ्य समाज के लिए ये शर्मसार करने वाली घटना है। पाप करने वाले, गुनाह करने वाले कितने हैं, कौन है, वो अपनी जगह पे है, लेकिन बेइज्जती पूरे देश की हो रही है। 140 करोड़ देशवासियों को शर्मसार होना पड़ रहा है। मैं सभी मुख्यमंत्रियों से आग्रह करता हूं कि वे अपने राज्य में कानून व्यवस्था को और मजबूत करें, खास करके हमारी माताओं बहनों की रक्षा के लिए कठोर से कठोर कदम उठाएं।
On the first day of the monsoon session of Parliament, Lok Sabha was adjourned till 2 p.m. and the Rajya Sabha till 12 noon after paying tributes to sitting MPs and former MPs who passed away recently. Rajya Sabha was adjourned till 2 p.m. following a ruckus on the issue of violence in Manipur. When the House met after the first adjournment at 12 noon, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar mentioned the notice given by the members of different political parties on Manipur violence, the Balasore train accident, unemployment and other issues. Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs Meghalaya has said some people from Jaintia Hills have requested for railway connectivity. Meanwhile, two NGOs from Jaintia Hills opposing the move, citing that railway is a medium to facilitate massive influx, and also stated that the state lacks a mechanism to control immigration and a framework to protect tribal trade. The Deputy Chief Minister, however, claimed that there are mechanisms to tackle influx in the state.
No, actually, it's not a government. It's a request from section from Jaintia. It seems three voice not accepted. Please bring from Jaintia. That is under examination. We want to bring as a government for the benefit of the people, but ultimately is we have to listen from our stakeholders also. No, influx. There is a mechanism to tackle influx. You know very well. You know very well. Why I should tell you all these things? We have been for the last so many years, 50 years now of statehood. Everything's in order.
Dr. D.D. Lapang, the former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and advisor to the government of Meghalaya, graced the University of Science and Technology USTM with his presence today. As he inaugurated a block named in his honor on the university campus, the newly unveiled Dr. D.D. Lapang block stands as a testament to Dr. Lapang's contribution to the state and his association with the university. The momentous event was witnessed by the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor of USTM and other dignitaries.
At that time, this area is very backwards and people are very, very poor. And today, I found that this has become to an educational hub, and many students and many other people from the other part of the, not only India, the world has got a chance to study. And Brave out of the small portion, has become a name in India and in the world, where this university also named to the university.
Initiating the centre's Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana PMGKAY, a free food handout policy, the Food Corporation of India FCI is playing a significant role in achieving the objectives. The FCI Northeastern region provides rice and wheat to 3 states of Northeast, namely Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram, through PDS and other welfare schemes. S.K. Yadav, General Manager FCI NEF region, said under NFSA, FCI provides 12,862 metric ton rice, 1,829 metric ton wheat to Meghalaya and 19,428 metric ton rice and 3,174 metric ton wheat to Tripura and 5,480 metric ton rice to Mizoram. During the COVID pandemic, Government of India under NEF region has distributed 74,01,533 metric ton of rice under PMGKAY scheme at free of cost apart from allocation under NFSA and other welfare schemes.
Preference under which revenue district people are preferring wheat or rice. Accordingly, they give us bifurcation. And accordingly, we are releasing that rice stocks and around 1,829 metric ton. Wheat also state government demands, and we are meeting out that without any problem. We have so many that go down points in that Meghalaya.
The centre has further slashed the price of tomato and it will be sold at 70 rupees per kilogram by NCCF and NAFED from today. Department of Consumer Affairs has directed NCCF and NAFED to sell tomatoes at retail price of 70 rupees per kg, rate in view of the declining trend in tomato prices. The Jaintia Students' Union JSU Clearlight Circle yesterday removed the word civil from the signboard of the Clearlight 100-bedded civil hospital. The JSU Clearlight Circle strongly criticized the government's handling of the hospital's upgrade. The Students' Union expressed their concern that the healthcare facilities in East Jaintia Hills district were not adequately equipped to provide high-quality healthcare services. Despite the government's announcement of the hospital's upgrade last year, it may be mentioned that the Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, inaugurated the civil hospital on February 14, 2022. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 26.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 64%, while in the evening it was 71%. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expresses pain and anger over incident of violence against women in Manipur. Monsoon session of Parliament begins. Jaintia people request for railway connectivity in Jaintia Hills, says Deputy Chief Minister Sngau Bhalang Thar. And Dr. Didi Lapang Block inaugurated in USTF. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.